Welcome to Geo Server tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn that how we can publish the shapefiles within Geo Server. For doing that, first of all, open the home page of Geo Server, then provide a username and password. Okay. To publish a shapefile, we will use these three menus: workspaces, stores, layers, and another one as layer preview. To publish the shapefile, first of all, we will have to create a workspace. After creating a workspace, we will create a store. Then after creating a store, we will publish our layer. So for doing that, first of all, click on workspaces. You can see that there is already a workspace named as Geo Server tutorial. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete it and I will create it as a scratch. So remove selected workspace, click on OK. Now to create a workspace, click on add new workspace, provide a name Geoserver tutorial, provide the namespace URI. I have provided here as http://google.com. You can provide the namespace as your website URL. Okay. Now click on submit. Now you can see that this particular Geoserver tutorial workspace has been created named as Geoserver tutorial. Now what I will do, I will create a store. So for doing that, click on store, click on add new store. From this screen you can see that there are three data sources which are coming here as vector data sources, raster data sources, and other data sources. When you have the shape file, then we will use the vector data sources. Basically, this is the type of vector. Then we have the raster. When we have the raster files, we will use the raster data sources, and when we have the WMS layer, then we will use the other data sources. As we have the shapefile, we are going to publish the shapefile. We will use this vector data sources, and under the vector data sources, you can see that there are the links, directory of spatial files, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, JNDI, PostGIS, and so on. When we have a single shapefile, what we can do, we can use this particular link as shapefile, this one. And when we have the multiple shapefiles, what we can do, we can put all of our shapefiles in a particular folder, and we can provide this particular folder to the vector data sources, to the directory of spatial files, the first one. So what I have done, I have put all of my shapefiles in a particular folder named as Geo Server sample data. Now I'm going to click on this particular link. See, here we will have to provide the folder name. You can see here that the data directory as well as home directory. Basically, data directory is representing the default directory of GeoServer, and home directory is representing the C drive. For data directory, where actually it resides, what we will have to do, we will check it out that where is it. You can check it on clicking on server status. From the first, you can see that this data directory is present here as C program file GeoServer 2.6.0, then data underscore dir. I have created a folder under the data underscore dir, then data, then GeoServer sample data, and I will provide this particular folder by creating the store. Okay, now click, type a name for data source name. I am providing here as gt underscore dsn, then description as gt underscore dsn, then provide the directory of shape files, click on browse button, then click on data, then view server sample data. You can see that there are three shapefiles that we will use in our tutorial. First one is the poi.shp, another one is poly underscore landmarks.shp, and another one is tiger underscore roads.shp. So now click on OK button. Now click on save. You can see that a store has been created and now it is asking to publish the layers. You can see from this screen that all the shapefiles are coming. All the shapefiles have been listed here. So first of all, we will publish the POI shapefile. For that, click on publish button against this POI. Now what we will do, we will publish the shapefiles. For that, we will have to provide a SRS. For doing that, click on find button. Basically, we are providing the projection here. So we are providing the 4326. Search for it. Click on, after typing the 4326, press enter button and it will search for it. Then select 4326. Then click on compute from data. Then compute from native bounds. What it will do, it will automatically find out the bounding box. Now you can see that feature type details are coming, that the details of this shape files, the name, thumbnail, main page, these are the columns which are present in this feature, in this particular shape file. And now click on save button. Now you can see that this particular poi.ssp file has been shaped, has been published. Now what we will see that how it look like. For doing that, click on layer preview. Now you can see that this uh, click on open layers. Now you can see that this map is coming with these 6 points. These were there were 6 points which are present in this particular shapefile. To know the value of this particular point, what we can do, we can click on this particular point and we will get that the column name and the value are coming here. The FID is feature ID, name is the column name which was present in this, and the value of this is art and thumbnail and so on. Okay. Now what we will do, we will publish another layer. For doing that, click on layers, then add a new resource, then add layer from, then click on publish against this poly underscore landmarks. The pure shapefile was the point shapefile. Poly landmark is of polygon shapefile, and tiger underscore is of line shapefile. For poly underscore landmarks, click on publish. Now repeat the same procedure as we did for poly.ssp. Search for 4326. Select this. Click on compute from data. Click on compute from native bounds. Then click on save. Now search for tiger roads. Click on publish. Search for 4326. Click on 4326. Click on compute from data. Click on compute from native bounds. Then click on save button. Now you can see these three shapefiles have been published, and how they look like. Click on layer preview. Click on open layers. From this screen you can see that how the polygon file exactly look like. To know the details of this particular feature, you can click on this particular feature and you will know that what are the values which are present under the columns. For rows, click on open layers. There is a toggle bar which is available on the top as toggle option toolbar, with the help of which we can increase the height and width. Okay. So we have checked that how the shapefiles can be published. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a group in which all of the three shapefiles will come one above to each other as layer. Okay, for doing that, what we will have to do, we will have to create a group. For doing that, click on layer groups, then click on add new layer group, provide a name, click on add layer, click on POI. See, POI layer has been added. Now click for add layer, follow industrial landmarks, then click on add layer as tiger roads. Now you can see these three layers are coming as here as POI for landmark and tiger roads. You can see the drawing order as well here, with the help of which you can do you can do it up and down. We will see in our next chapter that what will be the effect when we will use this drawing order. Now click on save button. You can see that an error message is coming here as field bounds is required. So for doing that, we will have to click on this generate bounds, and it will automatically create the bounding boxes, and then click on save button. Now you can see that the group has been created, GT group 1. We have not provided the workspace, so we are providing it here as a workspace here. Now save. Okay. Now click on layer preview. From this screen you can see that a group is coming here as GT group 1, which is the combination of which is the grouping of all of these three shape files. So from this screen you can individually click on the open layers, as well as you can click on this open layer for the grouping. So click on open layers. See, these three layers are coming one over to each other. So from this screen you can see that the polygon layer is coming, and the line layer is coming, and point layer is coming. This is the line, this is the point, and this is the polygon, this is the line, and these are the points. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.